Nothing's changed, man. It's still freaking hot out. It's probably about 103 now. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon about. And I'm just going to make some veggie here. It's called Bachoy. It's a Chinese vegetable. And it's delicious as can be. Okay, now, it's usually much longer than this with the stem. You know, I cut this off. I cook it first a little bit before throwing my leaf in, because I just want a little bit of crunchiness on this, and my leaf I don't want to overcook. Okay, so we'll fire this up and get my wok cooking here. Get it nice and hot before I put my oil in. And I'm going to use a regular oil, regular cooking oil. And I got a mixture of cornstarch and water. Okay, we're going to use some soy sauce with this. And some water. A little bit of oil. Coat our pan a little bit. Look at that, nice glassy finish. Look at that. Okay, we're going to do our garlic. Gotta have garlic, man. And I don't want to cook it too quick. Okay? So, I'm going to do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Some of it's turning brown already a little bit. It's quick. Quick. Get my onions in here. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to drop my stalks in here. Okay, because I want them to cook a little bit longer than the bachoy leaf. Okay. Now I'm going to add a little water. I'm sorry. I'm just going to let that cook up for a little bit. Okay? Not going to take long, probably about 3 minutes. Now that this is cooking, we're going to add a little soy sauce. Okay, I'm going to add a little fish sauce. Gotta have fish sauce. Okay, mix it up a little bit. Add my leaf. Look at that. Add just a pinch of water. This is going to steam a little bit and make a little bit of liquid here. Okay. Okay. Just going to add a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and water. That'll thicken up the sauce a little bit. And the leaf is all wilted. See? And that's when it's cooked. And there you have it. It's done. I'm going to shut the fire off and just let it sit for a little bit. Okay, the sauce is going to thicken up a little. And my veggies are crunchy. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Man, that's going to make a nice dish. So, oh yeah. So let's do this. Let's tip this over. There we go. Bok choy and onions and garlic. Man, that's such a good tasting green, and it's crunchy. Here you go, folks. Mike's simple onion, garlic, and bok choy with oyster sauce, of course, and some soy sauce, of course, less sodium, and a little bit of cornstarch and water mixture just to thicken up the juice a little bit. Man, and this is a great meal. Awesome nutrition.